My blueberry mousse has such an ethereal quality to it. It is very delicate, light, and it's so airy. You can't stop at first bite. Hi, it's Hani here, and I welcome you to join me as I make my delicious blueberry mousse. We're going to start by adding the sugar and also freshly squeezed lemon juice to blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen blueberries. We are making blueberry puree first. I'm going to cook it until blueberries are very soft. They're going to release more juice and they will be quite watery. And once you see this, you can take your immersion blender or you can use a small chopper to blend everything. And then we're going to strain it to remove the seeds. If you don't mind having seeds in the mousse, by all means keep them in. I like the mousse to be super smooth and silky, so I want to remove the seeds. And I'm using a fine mesh sieve so it catches all those little bits. You could eat it, it's great for fiber, or you can just discard it. When cleaning the bottom of the sieve, make sure that you rinse the spatula first so you don't get more seeds into the puree. Now we're going to make meringue. I'm using egg whites. We're going to add sugar and also cream of tartar. If you don't have cream of tartar, you can just add a splash of vinegar or lemon juice works as well. What cream of tartar does, it loosens the protein in the egg white, so you can beat more air into the egg whites and your meringue is going to be much nicer. And it also helps prevent overbeating. I'm heating egg whites with sugar over the double boiler until it reaches over 160 degrees of Fahrenheit. And now we're going to beat at high speed until we have medium kind of soft peaks formed. I don't want to go to stiff peaks because we're going to be folding everything into the puree. So if your peaks are too stiff, that's going to be difficult to do. So just keep that in mind and keep the peaks soft like so. Now we are ready to whip some heavy cream. Again, whip it until medium soft peaks are formed. You don't want to go to a stiff peak here. All right, now we are ready to prepare gelatin. I am using gelatin sheets and we're going to soak these in cold water for about 5-10 minutes, depends on the gelatin sheet. Sometimes it takes even 3 minutes for these to bloom. Once they are soft and once your gelatin sheets are bloomed, you can wring them out, remove the as much water as you possibly can, and then you can add them to warm blueberry puree. Give it a good stir, and then warm puree will dissolve all this bloom gelatin. And now we are ready to combine everything. This is exciting. It's happening. I'm so excited. I love blueberry mousse so much. So now I'm adding my meringue. You want to fold that in. You don't want to add all of the meringue at once. You want to gradually add it in. Doesn't it look appetizing? Oh, it's so good. Again, we are folding, not whisking or anything like that. We are folding that in. Now we can add heavy cream. And you should have your serving dishes ready by now. We're going to pour it into the dishes. You can also use glass or whatever you have, ceramics. Oh, it's so good. I suggest letting it sit for set in the refrigerator for about 4 to 8 hours. Then you can further garnish it with fresh blueberries. You could add maybe perhaps white shaved chocolate would be nice, or fresh mint leaves. I can't even tell you how good this is. It is so delicious and just scrumptious, very light, delicate, and just bursting with that blueberry flavor. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Full printable version, it's on my blog, hanielas.com. And I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.